Number system. What is number system? In number system, whatever we are representing in mathematics, that is numbers. What are the numbers? What is number system? To elaborate number system, firstly we will understand what is numbers. Whatever in mathematics we are representing using some digits, just like 0, 1, 2 up to 9, called number. We write number as numeration and another one is notation. What is numeration? If we are representing number in words, then it is called numeration. And notation, if we are representing any number in mathematical formats or in figures, then it is called notation. So we will take one example for numeration. Just like we are having one number, this one. So in numeration, how we will write? We will write as 347. This is called numeration. So we are representing one number in numeration as words. If we want to represent this number in notation, then how we will write 347? It is a notation, or we are representing it in a figure. To understand notation and numeration, there are two systems which we follow. First one is Hindu-Arabic system, or we can say Indian chart system, which we follow. Hindu-Arabic system. What Hindu-Arabic system says, if we are representing any number, so how we will represent? There is a chart given which is as, here we will write only ones, just like 1, 10, 100. After that 1000. So in 1000 what we write? 1000 and 10,000. We write like this. After that lakhs. In lakhs 1 lakh and 10 lakh. Or we can write it like 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 10 lakhs how we will write? 10 raised to power 6 we can write. In crores same, 1 crore and 10 crore. 10 raised to power 7 and 10 raised to power 8. This is our Hindu-Arabic system. If we are testing one number, just 37457. If we follow Hindu-Arabic system, then how we will write in numeration form? That is, firstly we will consider the values 30,000, 7,000, 400, 50 and 7. If we this is our place value, so how we can write 30,000. Now we will use 7, so it is 1,457. So according to Hindu-Arabic system, how we will write this digits, or we can say a number 30,700,457. Now there is one more technique which we use, international, that is second international system of numeration. These techniques are called just like Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, international system of numeration, because with the help of these systems we are writing all the numbers which are represented in mathematics. So here some notations are same as we are using in Hindu-Arabic system. Ones we will simply represent 1, 10 and 100. 1, 10 and 100. Now thousands, how we will write? 1,000, 10,000 and one more thing is here, 100,000. This is a difference from Hindu-Arabic system. This is 100,000. Now according to Hindu-Arabic system we move for lakhs, but here we will use millions. Same concept, 1 million. Here we can write 1, this is 10, this is 10 to power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5. Here if we are talking about 1 million, then we will write 10 power 6, or after 1 we will increase 1 0. This is, we will increase one more 0. For 10 millions, how we will write 10 raised to power 7, and after millions we will move to billions. So here we can represent more numbers. 1 billion, that is 10 power 8, 10 billion, that is 10 power 9, and one more 100 billion, that is 10 power 10. So we can write like this format. Now if there is a number 37,456, according to Hindu Arabic system, how we will write? 37,456. If we are using international system of notation of numeration, then how we will write? Same thing. Just see, we are using these things. Firstly we can make place value and face value. 37,000, or we can say it's 3 1 2 3 4 0. Where is 10 power 4? 10. So we can write 30,000, 7, after 7 we will have 3 zeros, 1 2 3. So for 7 how we will write? 10 raised to power 3, 1. So we will write 7,000. After same for 456, after 4 we have 2 zeros, after 5 we have 1 0 and 6. So 4 after 2 0, 100. So 456. This is our international system of numeration, or we can write in short 37,456. Now we will see how to calculate face value and place value. Firstly we will see face value. One number is given 99284. We are saying what is the face value of 9. So it will be 9 itself. Whatever number you are using, that is face value of itself. If we are talking about 2, what is the face value of 2? Then it is 2 only. If we are saying what is the face value of 4, then 4. Whatever digit you are using, that is face value of itself. Second, we will see what is the place value. We can understand place value as what place in the number we are using that digit. Starting I said 0, 1, 2 up to 9. We are using 10 digits. 1 to 9, 9 digit, and 0, then 10 digits. We are using total 10 digits. So if we are saying what is the place value of 2, then how we will calculate? Just write down 2. After that 2 more digits are there, then we will write 20. So place value of 2 is this, or you can write as 2 into 100. So by using Hindu Arabic system and international system, you can follow this thing. If we are saying what is the place value of 9, then how we will write? For 9, place value of 9, we will write as 9. Here 2 9, we are taking firstly this 9, 1 2 3 4. So 1, this is the value. You can easily calculate. So it is very simple to pronunciate 9,000. Sorry, it's 90,000. We are talking about this 9. Then how we will calculate? 9 into 1. 1 2 3 digits are there. So it is 9,000. Now for 2 multiply by after 20. So it is multiplied by 100, then 200. Again for 8 and 4. For 8 we will get after 8 1. So 10. 8 into 10, 80. Same for 4. 4 into, after 4 no digit, so we will just write 1 equals to 4. If we will add all the numbers, then we will get the same number itself. Just for we are getting here 4. Now after that at this place 8, this place 2, 9 and 9. So finally we are getting 99,284. Now we will see expanded form. How to expand these values? Expanded form, or you can say you are elaborating any number, that's why it is called expanded form. Just like example 26543, we want to expand this number. So by using Hindu Arabic system, how we will write, or following international system. For 2, firstly write down 2 multiply by 1. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 10 to the power 4. Or after calculating 10 to the power 4, how you will get? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, that is 10,000. So here also we are getting this thing. After 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So we can write 10 to the power 4. After adding, we will see 6. So we can write 6 multiply by 1, 2, 3. So we can write 10 power 3 plus for 5 there are 2. So 10 power 2 plus, now we will take 4. 4 multiply by 10 plus 3 multiply by 1. Then we will solve it. So we will get 2 after 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 6. 10 power 3 means 1, 2, 3, 6,000 plus 5 into 10 power 2, 500 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 3. So this is the expanded form of this number. If we want to check our answer, then we will solve it further. If we will add 3, then we will get 3. After 4 for this digit, 4, 5, 5, then 6, and then again 2. So the number is same if we are representing in expanded form. Now what is the use of number system? If we will see, we want to calculate some numbers, just like 5-digit numbers. How many 5-digit numbers are possible in our system? Then how we will calculate 5-digit numbers? We want to calculate maximum possible 5-digit numbers. Firstly, we will write down what is the maximum 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the maximum value for this place? That is 0 to 9. 9 is the biggest element. Here also same. So biggest value of 5-digit number is 99,999. Now we will see what is the minimum value for the 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the minimum? 0 to 9. 0 is the minimum, so we will fill 0, 0, 0, 0. At this place, if we are writing 0, then it is not a 5-digit number. It will become a 0 only. So after 0, what is the value? 1. So we will take 1. This is the minimum value of 5-digit number. Now we want to calculate how many values are possible. Then what we will do? Just subtract 9, 9, 9, 9 and 8. We are getting 89,999, but here we lost our one value, that is 10,000. So to recover this value, we will add plus 1. Now we will get 90,000. Or second method is also there to calculate this number. Firstly, write down the 5-digit biggest number, that is this one. Or second one is, we can write biggest number, that is 4-digit number. 4-digit biggest number is 9999. Okay, so after subtracting this one, you will get the same result. Here no need to add plus 1 because 10,000 we are not lost. Now we will see how we can make possible combination for a number, just like we are given 1, 3 and 7. We say there are 3 digits, 1, 3 and 7. How many 2-digit numbers are possible for these 3 words? So how we will make? Firstly we will write 1, 3, then 3, 7, then 1, 7. Like that we will calculate. We can calculate by using number system. Just write down 1, 3, 7. Remember, here repetition is not possible. If repetition is possible, then we can write 1, 1, 3, 3, 7, 7. But here repetition is not possible. So for 1, we can take 2 values, 3 and 7. For 3, we can take 2 values, that is 1 and 7. For 7 also 1 and 3. So we can write these values as, first one is 1 3, second one is 1 7, then 3 1, then 3 7, 7 1 and 7 3. So total 6 numbers can be formed. After that we will see if repetition is possible, then how many numbers are possible. Same, we will write 1. Repetition is possible, so we will take 3. 1 3 and 7. For 3 we will take 3. 1 3 and 7. For 7 we will take 1 3 and 7. So what are the final numbers? 1 1, 1 3 and 1 7. For this one 3 1, 3 3 and 3 7. For this one 7 1, 7 3 and 7. So total numbers are 3 cross 3, 3 these, 3 and 3. So 3 multiplied by 3. Total 9 numbers are possible. So this way we can calculate very easily. Now we want to check all the 2-digit numbers are possible between 10 to 100. 2-digit numbers. So how we will check? After 10 and up to 99, all are 2-digit numbers. So we can subtract 100 minus 10, that is 90. So 90 numbers are possible, or by using this one you can calculate 99 minus 10. Here you will get 89, but we are losing this number 10, so we will add one more, so 90 numbers are possible. This is the number system.